Energy for growth. Energy for development. Energy creating synergy. Energy for challenge. ST International will create the better future for the world based on its sincerity and pioneer spirit. Synergy for tomorrow. ST International. ST International has established itself as one of the leading energy enterprises of Korea since its foundation on the basis of Samcheok coal mining development in 1962. Development and operation of energy. SRT is a total mining service enterprise listed on the Indonesian stock market and the holding enterprise dominating the 4 specialized mining companies, including SIMS, a specialist in the disposal of waste rocks, Trasindo, and Samindo, the specialist in inland transportation, and Mintech, a specialist in resources exploration. Kideco, which was founded in 1982, is the local subsidiary in Indonesia and operates the Pasir coal mine, the 5th largest single mine in the world. SIMS is a specialist in the production of raw coal and the disposal of waste rocks, a major process of coal production in mines. Samindo and Trasindo are the specialists in coal transportation and carry the crushed coal under 50 millimeters at Kideco to a dedicated port using a large freight truck. SBS is the company for shipping transshipment, which is a major process of coal logistics. It is a specialist in transferring coal carried from port to outport by barge to the customer's bulk carrier. And also, STI USA is in charge of supporting the purchase of heavy equipment and mining materials produced in the US. STI Pacific is a company based in Singapore to reinforce core business capabilities and explore new business opportunities. These companies are building their own expertise and credibility and establishing themselves as the representative affiliates of ST International in the areas of energy development and operation. Energy-related industry and investment. Since the current resources of energy cannot last forever, ST International is expanding its scope to be an enterprise investing in energy to cope with the changes of the times and prepare for the future. Including STI Indonesia, an enterprise comprehensively investing in energy. PS Gas is a company founded for the production and sales of LPG, with Indonesia's natural gas as a raw material, by a joint venture with Pertamina Gas, a state-owned company in Indonesia. CEP is the 660 megawatt independent power plant constructed in Cirebon, Indonesia. ST International has accomplished the vertical systematization of its business, from fuel production to power generation, on the basis of CEP. THEP is the local palm plantation business, which produces and exports 40,000 tons of palm oil yearly to the whole world, including Indonesia, by its own production and processing of FFB. Donghae Electric Power, jointly developed by GS-ENR, East West Power, and ST International, is the Korea's first private operator of a thermal power plant. ABM is a joint venture with SLM, a marine logistics company in Singapore, and provides a stable coal supply to CEP power plants in Indonesia. It will expand its logistics business based on the stable coal supply to CEP power plants. Yongyang Wind Power Corporation, which started operation in 2009, is a large-scale wind power plant with a capacity of 61.5 megawatts and the best wind plant complex in Korea, having the best location for wind conditions and facility utilization rate. Yeongdeok Wind Power Company Limited started operation in 2004. It is the first Korea's independent wind power plant with a capacity of 39.6 megawatts and a leading wind power plant which has been established as a local tourist attraction with the Sunrise Park of Yeongdeok. ST International, starting with the takeover of Yeongdeok wind power plants, the leading renewable energy operators in Korea, is establishing its business diversification system through various reviews of domestic and international wind and solar power resources and investments in the renewable energy generation.
우리 ST 인터내셔널은 시대의 변화에 맞춰 미래를 준비합니다. 전통적 에너지 사업을 운영하는 회사에서 새로운 에너지 사업뿐만 아니라 또 다른 미래 가능성에도 투자하는 회사로 변화해 나갈 것입니다. ST 인터내셔널의 모든 임직원은 강한 공동체 의식과 한 발 앞선 실행을 통해 시대와 사회가 요구하는 새로운 가치를 창조해 나갈 것입니다.
ST International will realize the values of sharing and co-prosperity for the better future. We actively support new artists in particular through the Songeun Art and Cultural Foundation, and also cultural activities and arts including various performances and exhibitions. We attempt to grow lovingly together with the community in and outside of the country for co-prosperity and further to realize sustainable management, social welfare, environmental conservation, global volunteer work. We are becoming an enterprise which practices sharing through social contribution in many different fields. Now, ST International will cope with the global paradigm shift in energy policy and build up the better future together. ST International is striving to cope with the changes of the times and prepare for a better tomorrow. Synergy for tomorrow. ST International.